When changing brushes for an electric screwdriver, you will always need the new set of brushes, a flathead screwdriver, and an air compressor to blow out any carbon dust that would have worn out the previous set of brushes. First, you must start with unscrewing the brush cap from one of the sides of the screwdriver. From there, take out the faulty brush and put it to the side. Then repeat the process for the other brush cap and brush that are located 180 degrees from the original brush cap. Once the brushes are removed, take the air compressor and blow into each housing unit for the brushes. This is to blow away any carbon dust that would potentially ruin the new brushes. Once all the carbon dust is removed, take the new brush and put it into the screwdriver. Once entered, place the brush cap on top of the brush and screw the cap back in, locking the brush into place. Repeat the process of putting the new brush in for the other side of the screwdriver.